Wasting time is not my thing, so I'll just start immediately. What you have to do here is wrap your material. 3 layers joined aso-oke is fine. Then you are going to grab elastic band to divide it into equal parts. The division has been made, then let's go ahead. The next thing we're going to be doing is you're stretching out to the side and placing it on the head, just like this. When you're placing, you want to make sure that all sides are being adjusted and they are well laid. Make sure it is properly laid, and you're going to go to the back to cross the directing the excess to the front like this. Pick rough pleats all through for the first part and secure it into the band you used earlier. Use it to pull out the fabric gently like this and drop it. Before you move to the other side, make sure you arrange that side. Then you can pick rough pleats all through for the other side too. And repeat the same process by dipping into the band and bringing out the excess fabric. Now we are moving gradually towards the end of this edge wrap where the beauty will finally show. Working with the excess material that you have, you're going to be stretching out the fabric at the angles. Watch my hand as I do that. So this is the first angle directed down. Pick an office pin and secure down gently. After securing down with an office pin, you need to bend this edge down here a bit or dip it into the band. But I use pin here to secure down. After securing, we only have one part left, and I'm going to direct this other edge here like this and grab it with that part with a pin. After that, I have only one edge left, which I'll be directing downward and secure down. This band showing at the center needs to be corrected because it doesn't match the color of my fabric, so I needed something to cover it up. So I'll be using a broad to do that, and here is one that I have, using it to cover it up. After covering up, I need to adjust all adjustables, and finally I have the result. If you have gained one or two things, let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to give it a thumbs up.